students. Welcome to the third lab lecture of data structure for BCA third semester as per the syllabus of IIIrd Gujral, Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. In the previous two videos, I discussed about malloc and calloc dynamic functions. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss about reallocation. Now, what is the meaning of reallocation? Suppose I have to dynamically allocated memory for insufficiency. I have to change that content. Previously allocated memory is suppose 2 and I have to assign now 4 or 5. I have to increase that particular value of integer data type or for float data type or for character data type, any of the data types. For that, I am using Dev C++ platform. This one is the program for using dynamic function, that is reallocation and free. Program to display memory address of the count you want to enter and then reallocate after increasing the size. This one is the title of today's program. First of all, initialization of the variables I for loop, then pointer, and xi and y are for the numbers for the count. Now, to display the address, what I have to write, I have to give the content of memory allocation basically. Int, then memory allocation, then x multiply size of integer. Now print addresses of the count you want to enter. Now, what about these addresses? How to display these addresses? We can display the addresses using control string u. But I have to apply for loop here. I plus plus, then printf percentage u. You can write new line here. Then ptr plus I. Now execute the program. How many numbers you want to enter? Suppose I am writing 5 here. I can display the addresses of the 5 variables. Now, what about the next condition? Suppose I have to change, I have to increase this size to 10. Then what I have to do? Here you can write reallocation. The code for that is ptr is equal to reallocation, then ptr comma y. Before writing this code, I have to enter the size again. Let's copy this one and paste here. alter the size or enter the new size. Enter the new count. Here you can write y. Now reallocation ptr comma y multiply size of integer. Then semicolon. Now copy again this content and paste here. You can write y in place of x. Address of the count you want to enter. New addresses now are. In the last step, you can free the pointer. Now execute the program again. Five. Enter the new count. Suppose the new count is 7. Look at this one. 5 addresses are there. Now with the increment of 2 addresses, 7 addresses are there with the previous 5 addresses. Hope you understand the content of the first program. The first program basically comprises of 3 parts: memory allocation, then contiguous allocation, and third one is reallocation. In the next lecture, I will discuss about insertion, deletion, traversing of an element from an array. It also comprises of 3 parts. One is insertion, second is deletion, and third is traversing. Thanks for watching my video.